Hello, I'm Ron Denner, and I challenge you to enter my gymnasium for the mind.
It's not only that we learn so much with your method of teaching, but also being able to enjoy what we do while we're learning, which makes it, just an incredible experience. And the thing that I wanted to add about acting, I never thought it would be so challenging, so self-rewarding, so enjoyable. Yet it's just the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Yet it just keeps driving you further once you dive into it. And it's just that you're never going to stop learning, and you can always improve as an actor.
Absolutely.
The fun that we have here stems from the fact that we do so much learning, so much experimentation, and not only do we have different chemistries from interacting with each other and work with different people all the time, so we really get the experience of working with different players in a scene and seeing how different people respond and interact.